Hello friends, welcome back to the tutorial lab. Today in this video I am going to show you how to link another social media account on your TikTok profile. You can add Instagram and YouTube on your TikTok profile. To add this, open the TikTok app, tap on the profile from the bottom right corner and then tap on edit profile. Here on this page at the bottom you will find Instagram and YouTube. You can see I have connected my YouTube channel to this TikTok account, and now I am going to connect my Instagram account on my TikTok account. Type the username and password of your Instagram account or tap on connect with Facebook. I am typing mine. After typing, tap on login. You can save the username and password. Save info. And tap allow and give permission. You will find your Instagram account has been added to your TikTok account. Tap back. Here you will find the Instagram icon. When you tap on this, you will find Instagram and YouTube. Friends, that was our today's video. I hope you liked this. Please give a thumbs up and share with your friends. Thanks for watching.